In today's video, we're going to be installing this tempered glass screen protector to our S24 Ultra. So in the box, you obviously get the screen protector. You also get this installation frame, which will make installing it on the S24 a lot more simple. Then you'll obviously get a cleaning pack, which will consist of a wet wipe, microfiber cloth, and then some dust stickers as well. So the first thing we want to do is clean that screen with the wet wipe. This will just remove any grease and stuff from the screen, and in this case, a lot of fingerprints. Next up, grab that microfiber cloth and dry the whole screen, making sure that you remove anything else that's on the screen as well. Don't worry if some microfiber hairs and things come off and land on the screen, because you'll remove them in the next step. Now, to complete the cleaning process, just grab that dust sticker and dab it on your display to remove any dust particles. Now, last up, grab that installation frame and pop it over the S24. Make sure you put the section that says top at obviously the top of the phone. Then the last step is to grab your screen protector, remove the protective backing, making sure you grab your screen protector by the edge, then place either the top or bottom part so it's in line with your installation frame, then slowly drop the rest down. Then just apply a bit of pressure to the center of the screen to start applying the rest. You can then remove the installation frame and grab your microfiber cloth and then just push any bubbles out towards the edge. Once you've installed your screen protector, remember to re-enter any fingerprints into your phone so it can see them with the screen protector on that. And there we go. Now you've installed your glass screen protector on your S24 Ultra. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to purchase this screen protector, check out the links in the description below.